Hi, this is my screencast revision reflection. My name is Ajacia Silver, and this is for my technical writing class. And so, as you can see over here, I made a revision to my technical directions video. And so you can see the changes already. And so I'm going to talk more about the changes I made, not only to the thumbnail, as you can see, but the contents of the video. So I'll hop right in. I actually want to start this reflection by thanking my peers and my instructor for the creative feedback that led me to the changes that really improved my video for the audience. And so one of the feedback that my instructor was able to give me, as you can see over here, she recommended that I edit out some parts or speed them up when I'm not speaking. She also suggested that I add music to keep my audience focused. And so that was actually one of my changes. I added music, I sped up some parts, added an outro comment or um, a graphic, as you say. I changed the title and the thumbnail. I thought all these changes really improved the success of my video, and so the changes really made my video more entertaining. It hid the long pauses. The music kept me focused, kept my audience focused. Um, it added a little bit more description. So my title, as you can see, is a lot different. Before, my title was actually really confusing, and so someone wouldn't really be able to know what the video was about based on the title. It just says technical directions. And so what I did was I changed the title to How to Pray Step-by-Step Directions for the New Muslim. And so my audience knows what this video is about and who the video is for. And so I'm still able to hit that it's technical directions. Um, and so I'm able to be more descriptive in my title. I was able to add a little graphic at the end to really show my audience why we pray and why to care about praying. And so I really like that I had a little bit more time because I sped up a little bit of parts, and so I had that extra time to fill with very important graphics. As you can see in my thumbnail, I have Salahuddin actually in the beginning stage of prayer as opposed to just standing still. I thought that that actually added a lot more information for the potential watcher. And I thought that was so cool that a very small change added a lot more information. And so I kept it simple and I provided a unifying message. So, the things that I could have done differently. I could have changed the format in my video. I think I could have changed the intro and kind of changed the way the graphics popped up. I could have also changed the colors. I could have made it more professional as opposed to colorful without so much. I would rather put more thought into the colors and the graphics and the themes. And of course, I would add more information. So when you saw the verses, I could have, the verses are transliterations. So I could have put what it meant in English, or I could have put the Arabic meaning. And so the last tip I made was I could have made a description video of how to get voodoo before you pray. And so I thought that was so cool because of course I said in the beginning of the video, you need voodoo. Okay, so if someone doesn't know how to pray, they probably don't know how to make voodoo to pray. So I think that would be my next step, how to take this project and expand it. And so I thought, you know, if I had more time, this is what I would do. And again, my name is Ajacia Silver, and this is my screencast revision reflection. Thank you so much for listening.